Who I am as a teacher. As a teacher, I have a desire to be the best I can be, as I have a tremendous passion for teaching. As in this ever changing world, there is never a time when one is not learning. This is a belief that I continue to embrace within both the classroom and outside of it. These formative schooling years for students are the beginning of their social, emotional, and behavioural development, when they begin to cultivate attitudes, behaviours, and beliefs about not only the world around them, but how they perceive learning. Therefore, as a teacher, I may make the first impressions to make life-changing attitudes to any student's learning, as I will continually endeavour to create a safe and supporting learning environment for all my students, to allow the students to embrace learning through active engagement and involvement to develop to their full potential. I believe that I am an approachable and friendly, engaging and motivating teacher, and that I can provide the same attributes for the lessons that I teach. My aim as a teacher would be to challenge students in ways which are purposeful and directly associated to their own growth and development. All children learn in different ways, and it will be my job to be the caterer for all those different abilities and adapt to learning situations, as I hope to continually create an atmosphere of active participation in my classroom every day. As I stand by a statement that I first discovered in first year. Tell me, I will forget. Show me, I may remember, but involve me, and I will understand. What kind of professional am I, or do I aspire to be? I do realize that I have only started to experience of what I hope is a long and enjoyable teaching career. This being the tip of the iceberg, I am not in a position to identify what type of professional I am as of yet, rather the professional that I aspire to be. I know that over these coming years, I will change, develop, and gain more experience in this field, as the first few years out in the teaching world, I hear, are the most challenging of all. I have a strong desire to learn, and I'm always looking for new ways to further my abilities in all areas. I hope to do this by going to as many professional development days as possible, as well as team teaching with other teachers in my cohort, as well as staying as organised as possible to develop my resources that I hope will ensure smooth sailing for the future. Overall, I must ensure that I stay positive even when the times are getting tough, and I'm excited to see where my future teaching will take me.